Hello students, welcome. And today in this session we are going to take grammar topic articles, which is one of the most important part for the competitive exams also. So we know that the articles, there are three articles and they are divided into two types. But before moving toward that, let's see the definition of article. An article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. And the two types of article are definite article and indefinite article. So definite article, to be clear, exact or obvious about something. And indefinite, something which is not clear, obvious or exact. The indefinite article a and an. A and an have the same meaning because they both are indefinite and they both are used for the singular noun. But the difference that is depended on the sound at the beginning of the next word. So when we use article a, when the noun starts with consonant or consonant sound. If you look at the example, a book, a frog, a car, a lemon, a dog, a truck. B, C, D, F, L, T. These all are the consonant. And so we have used before that article a. An article an is used before the words which start with a vowel or a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. We know that A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. And these all words are started with the vowels only. So we have used article an. But we have to careful about the sound, not the letter. Now why it is important? See the example. A house and an R. If you see both the words, the beginning letter means the first letter is same, that is letter H. But in house, we have used article a because the letter H is pronounced as her, which is the consonant. And in R, the letter H, the sound of H is silent, but we pronounce the next word, that is O, and which is a vowel. So we have used an before R. Second example, an uncle. U is a vowel, but that's why we have used article an. A university. Here also U is a vowel, but the pronunciation of U is sounds like Y-O-U. U. So it is a consonant sound, and so we have used article a. And the indefinite articles a and an, they both are used before the adjectives and adverbs also. For example, a cold day. Here cold is adjective. A very crazy person, very adverb. An easy lesson, adjective. An interesting class, adjective. So before adjectives and adverbs also, indefinite articles a and an are used. The article the, which is called as the definite article. Now we use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable. Because article a and an we use before the singular countable noun only. But article the can be used singular also, plural also, countable also and uncountable also, to describe someone or something specific or unique. For example, the earth, the world, the air, the weather, the moon, the president, the CEO and the sun. Now let us learn the rules for using the article. So first of all, we'll see the rules for indefinite article a and an. Rule number 1. A common noun in the singular number always requires an article before it. A common noun is singular number, but a plural common noun does not require an article. A plural common noun can have the article the if we want to particularize that noun. For example, I saw a snake. The article a refers to any snake, that is any random snake. Next sentence. I saw snakes in a zoo. Snakes in plural form. So article is not required. Number 3. I have seen the snake again. Here the is used because we are referring to the snake that I have already seen. Next sentence. I have seen the snakes again before leaving the zoo. Plural noun snakes. But before that article the is used because here snakes refers to the particular snakes of the zoo which I saw earlier. Rule number 2. The choice between the two indefinite articles a and an is determined by sound. This already we have discussed with the examples. Words beginning with consonant sounds precede a and words beginning with vowel sound precede an. There are some special cases also. For instance, a university, a union, a useful book, a $1 note, a one-man army, an MA, a BA, an LLB, a BSc. So, it means when a word is there, we have to see the sound, the pronunciation of that beginning letter, not the exact beginning letter, but we have to see the sound. Rule number 3. A or an sometimes makes a proper noun a common noun. Proper noun generally do not take any articles. We know that. No article is used before the proper noun. But when a proper noun needs to be used as a common noun, you must bring a or an for it. If you see the example, the point will be clear to you. He thinks he is a Shakespeare. Now Shakespeare is a proper noun. But here Shakespeare does not refer to the actual person, the writer. But it is referring to a person like him. A person who has the qualities of Shakespeare. And that's why article a is used. He seems to be an Australian. Australia is a proper noun, but Australian is a common noun because there is only one Australia, but a million of Australians are there, so it becomes a common noun. Rule number 4. Sometimes indefinite articles are used to refer the number 1 each per. For example, I earned $1,000 in that job. 1,000 means 1,000. I have a car. It means I have one car. It goes 50 miles an hour. It means per hour. Rule number 5. Indefinite articles often precede descriptive adjectives. Example, he is a good boy. And what a nice car. Good and nice both are adjectives. Rule number 6. A sometimes comes before determiners. For example, a few, a little, a lot of, a most. Few, little, lot of and most are determiners. But in case of many or many, a or an comes after many a. I have a few friends coming over. There is a little milk in the jar. Many a fan welcomed. Now, rules for definite article the. Rule number 1. The is used to indicate a particular person or thing in the case of common nouns. Proper noun generally do not take an article. Example, the man is running. It means we are talking about a particular specific man. I saw the boy stealing. The boy who was stealing, not any other boy, common. Where is the pen I gave you last year? I gave him a ball, but he lost the ball. A ball became the ball because when we use in the beginning a ball, that is first time we are using the noun. Again we use the same noun, so we have used article the because it is repeated again. Rule number 2. Sometimes the is used to generalize a group or whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here refers to the whole species of dog. Means all dogs are faithful. The English are industrious. Refers to the people of England as a nation. The honest are respected. The plus adjectives, that is plural noun. Honest means all the honest people comes here in the category. The poor are not always dishonest. The plus adjective again. The poor, plural noun, means referring to the whole class of poor people. Rule number 3. To particularize a noun count, non-count, noun the is required before it, means uncountable. Example, the water of the Arctic Ocean is freezing. Please return the money I lent you last year. Water and money, these are uncountable noun. But here they are used because we are particularize that particular uncountable noun. Rule number 4. The is mandatory before a thing which is only one of a kind in the universe. This is the easiest rule you might have learned already. That is one and only thing in the world. Before that we use article the. The moon is shining tonight. The earth is moving around the sun. Now, use of the before geographical places. Using the with geographical nouns generally depends on the size and plurality of the things those nouns refer to. The is generally used everywhere except some cases. So it's better to know those exceptions first. So these all are the exceptions where we are not going to use article the. Names of continents: Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, South America, North America and Antarctica. Name of countries because they are proper nouns. Name of states, cities or towns. Name of streets. Name of singular lakes and bays. Names of single mountains. Names of single island. Names of languages. Names of sports and names of disciplines, subject of studies like biology, history, computer science, mathematics, etc. Now, the is widely used article in English except for the list mentioned above. So, the above all things were the exceptions. And proper nouns. The is used before almost all the nouns which means something definite, particular. The above list has some opposite factors also. Those factors are explained in the following list. The must precede means now the nouns which are mentioned here. Before that we have to use article the. Names of oceans, gulf, seas and rivers. The Pacific, the Atlantic, the Coral Sea, the Timor Sea, the Persian Gulf, the Nile, that is river. Names of countries with United States or islands. The United States of America, the UK, the UAE, the Philippines, etc. Names of Great Lakes, the African Great Lakes. Names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes, etc. Names of a group of island, the West Indies, the Andamans, etc. So, now you all must have understood the uses of all the three articles. Articles a and an, these two are the indefinite, and article the which is the definite article. So you will use the articles properly after watching the video. Thank you.